what me say, you know. I say so out of everybody in the world, a destiny really go call. Nothing not really want to really help. And it's true. Because there's no way where you get a chance with Nicki Minaj and that you really go call. Even if you call Destiny now, you tell me say Destiny couldn't put one good conversation together to help, because Destiny enough. We all know this. Every topic Destiny take up. I don't know why she don't make Bling a gear 2 the entire week. But because you're biased, because you don't listen, and because you're a fucking hater, you're not going to understand it. Beg Bling a 2 the entire week, and nobody business no pass you. Once is a girl with pussy, it now pass you. Once is a look good girl, it now pass you. And everybody business me walk and pick up. But me can tell you now. You know why I never care for empty. Normally when in chat about me, you know, he not do me nothing, you know. Let me tell you something more. You see anytime my birthday come and nobody say nothing about death near my birthday, me get paranoid no blood clot. That's all. My paranoid. You see when Kitty come and attack and I call him name. At first we da laugh about it, you know. Till me just get mad. I don't know if you know see when me transform. Remember when we talk about the Landell argument, we really talk about it and I laugh, you know, till we get serious about the situation and I say, Landell parents need to get involved the real way. But then me just chip when my member say pussy say me for dead. I mean I say next week I'm a blood clot birthday and this year I go say pussy. Lift up that off and make I go suck your mother. That's why I just chip out. Me no care what uno want say my birthday next week. Me not make nobody and no pussy hole and no cock him out and no bat him out. Cause wish no dead for me go suck your mother. And that me say. And when you said Sunday, stuck in my head, me cuss you yesterday if you never know. And about blood clot Kitty and Landell. Your name just come up and I remember what you said and it just piss me off. And I know what you do back then and what you said about Sunday. Remember you say it. My sister blood clot call me. I watch you live and me hear when you say it. And I say record it, send it to me. And she say, what dear girl, just listen up and she play it. Far you page you scroll up and I hear my voice. Me eat the blood clot girl, she can't dead. Go suck your mother and go kill yourself. You know to say you live overtime pussy.